Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Israellplayz, and today we are gonna be reacting to Skibidi Multiv Season 6. It just came out and I was in the Discord, in the Discord for the Dom Studio, the creator of Multiverse. They said there was gonna be an extra scene, they said. So let's see where or it could be. So I'm guessing this is like probably containing episodes 23, 4, and 5 so far. By the way, they all technically released new leaks for episode 26. So far, it's looking like they said it may be over like 5 minutes at the least, of like more than 5 minutes, but they haven't said like which amount of time. It looks like one of the drill people is still alive, not drill woman, except drill woman. Cause I'm guessing there's another drill still alive, cause it looks like it. Cause in the first leak I saw, it did look like there was a drill person alive still. Let's get into this. Yep, 23, I believe. So they all gathered at the base because it was gonna be attacked soon, which obviously was a trap. Boy is so big right now. Boy, I just realized the base is so small, but how do you fit all into it? It doesn't look that big enough to fit every single thing that happened that when we were in the base in the other episodes. Okay, so these are hackers, Skibidi toilets. But you gotta be kidding me. Who wants to freaking see it? I'm just done. Every time. I feel like, so let's get back into this. So I'm guessing they're loading up some stuff also, because there was a truck. I didn't realize the truck at first, but yeah. Okay. So and then there's someone got in waiting, see if there's any single like or whatever. See if there's any skibidi trying then yep, it beeps and then I think he was confused. Then they start all appearing. I guess he has like a beep on him, like yep, they try sending help, but no. They were hacked by this skibidi. It just says skibidi, skibidi, skibidi. Kind of funny. Only one language they can speak. He's not realizing until he realized. And the cameraman tells him to stay. Then he goes to help. Yeah, dude, you know what it reminds me of, like, was it episode 18? It was like yeah, it was like episode 18 that this is happening. Just like this. Like episode 18, just like this. It's just without this and this. This and these are not here in episode 18. Oh, and that one too. But it kind of does remind me of episode 18 a little bit. Damn, the light is showing the whole base. I'll be dead. Oh, you can make it. You can make it, dude. Are we gonna get any scenes for this one? Oh, I guess not. Damn. It's just brutal. The Skibidi toilets just did all of that.
Not a single
Oh,
soul
it's,
left. Well, except for our
the Alliance could have like a secret agent. You know how they have one in the regular universe, in the regular Skibidi toilet? That because they don't technically have a secret agent because we're not sure about him, how, like where he came from, or is he like helping the toilet or the Alliance? No. But this person, they are helping the toilet, so at least the Alliance could have a secret agent that they don't know about helping them. Maybe, maybe one day, if Dom Studios watches this video, maybe consider adding a secret agent. Secret agent.
For now, let's prepare the view for our precious guest. He's here.
No,
Seems like you were betrayed by
don't
your
listen to it. It's a trap.
allies. Such sorry trap. Why don't you take
Wait, hold
heed
on.
to your words? Actions show.
Oh, I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. I can't keep happening. No, I'm done. Skip. Why not? Damn, I guess they really had to destroy the whole place.
Clocks always prioritize themselves over others. And yet, you decided to trust them anyway.
I guess he was too. Yeah, it's too late, guys. Oh, dude, even through the chest, that's just crazy still.
Your family, your everything.
I'm guessing he was trying to tell Titan Drillman that the Skibidi toilets did this, but it was too late. He died before he even told him. I think Cameraman hearing is I think he's like confused because he's trying to like see what's wrong, and then bang gets hit. Of course, I think he's telling him to just calm down. It's just crazy that Judge Drummond was trying to kill him. Oh, so it lays off like that? That's not the bait. But what did they go why after? Because no, he's wondering who. They're both wondering who's that. Who is it? I tend to remember. Honestly, when I watched episode freaking 25, I wasn't expecting him to he Titan TV could easily defeat Titan's real man, but I'm guessing he just decided to spare his life because they still need him. Wait, can they understand what they speak? Cause I'm confused about that the most. Ooh, oh, cause he gets flashback. Um, I'm guessing, yeah. I think he was trying to go for the head. I think I'm not wasn't sure. And it hits him straight in the chest. That's just crazy. Titan Man was able to absorb the energy too. I guess yeah, that's like Bolo is 100% of the scene still. Damn. And then he finally decides to destroy the toilets. Diggy came back to his senses too, guys. Of course, cause the the trick in him. Oh no, don't do it, dude. He's only doing it to just save her life. He's just doing it because of that. It's just bit. Oh. So watching them get, they know they got terminated. Yeah. Like the TV man. Yo, let's just put that scene though. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna kind of break this down, like, because this it's a new scene too for this. Okay, so it just ends like how it ended, but they're basically watching them like it shows the terminated. Like they're both confused. Then they hear something, so he goes checks it out. Then TV man appears. So I think he takes that for now. Like tells him something, and then he gets the sign he can't take it. So he goes. That is crazy. So they know that they're terminated now. Just crazy. Yeah. So that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, comment what I should do next, and all of that said, Israellplayz signing off. See you in the next video. Goodbye.